Hi everyone, I wanted to provide a tip of something that I do to make grading go a little bit faster for me. During the week, today is Wednesday, so I will show you that it's week 4 and some students have already posted early on the discussion board, which is always wonderful. And we want to remember to interact early with them because we want to reward those basically who are posting early. So you can see here's my discussion board for week 4 in professional development. I can quickly see when I go into everyone's courses, so I'm the instructor and that's my profile picture. I can see that it's Wednesday and I've responded to 2 people, so put a little computer tip in here. But I wanted to show you what I do. So I click on this discussion post. This is by Emma. And you can see what I wrote back to her. So what I do after I write to a student on the discussion board, no matter what day of the week it is, I copy and paste my response after I post it. And then I go into Moodle Rooms Grader, which my internet's a little slow, sorry. So you click on Course Dashboard. And then Moodle Rooms Grader. And I was grading week 4, so I do the drop down to week 4. And it automatically defaults to the first student. So I'm going to click on Emma because that's who I just responded to. And you can see what I did is in the comments section, I copy and pasted what I wrote to her. I signed my name at the end. One of the most important parts is to click Save Comment, because if you don't do that, it won't be there later. So it's okay if Emma can see that comment, but you'll see there's no grade yet. But this is a tip that I use. So as I copy and paste what I wrote to each student, it does 2 things. Yes, it saves me time because when I go to grade next Monday or Tuesday, then I'll come over here. I'll see, oh, Emma has a total of 4 or 5 posts, and then her replies, and I can scroll down and read them. At that time is when I click to grade with the rubric, I grade, and I copy that same feedback that I have on the other page right here, but I'm not grading, so let me get out of this. So you don't want to do the rubric right now, but my point is that if you copy and paste the comments, it makes the grading go really quick. But here's a better thing. It provides that really personalized, detailed feedback because you can see that when I write to someone on the discussion board, it's extremely detailed about what they wrote. So I'm going back to the one for Emma where I copied that. So, and it's okay that it shows the date, the date for the comment is not going to be the date when it's graded. But nonetheless, when I come in to grade next Monday or Tuesday, since I do reply to all 14 students that I have in this class, I have the feedback. It's very personalized. Now, if I need to take off any points when I grade with a grading rubric, let's say they only replied to 2 people, then all I would have to do is simply copy and paste the feedback down here, and I would insert the minus X number of points and put what they did. But it's a great start to already having very personalized feedback, and I just do it as I reply to each person on the discussion board. So if you like this tip, feel free to use it. If you don't, no need to. I just wanted to share. Thanks so much for all that you do for our students at IMBC.